Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is why and how to use auxiliary relay memory bit M in Mitsubishi PLC. This is a lesson number 8 and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video with your friends. First question, what is the auxiliary relay and memory bit? Okay, we also call memory bit and auxiliary relay. It is used to store software memory of different input and output logic of PLC status. Okay, as we when we make a program, there are different of inputs and output logics. Then we have to use this memory bit for storing these data in software memory. Okay, why we use auxiliary relay and memory bit? Okay, to make complex program to simple way. Second one is to avoid the repeating thing in program, and last one is also use HMI input command to PLC. Okay, I will tell you in this point in future lecture. So come on the software, I will tell you how to we use this auxiliary relay. Okay, make a new program fx cpu a PLC type is fx3g a 3gc ladder program. Okay, now make simple program manage program. I will making x01 and x02 and any output y like y01. Okay, this is the two inputs and one output. Okay, now I will use a memory bit y01 as the input, y01 as the input, y01. Okay, and one more input like x03. Now I will store this status to a memory bit like my m01 is a memory bit. Okay, so you can see it's a very simple program. So this memory will store two things, one y01 and x03. If both will be on, then memory bit will be on, and I am inserting one row more, and m01 will run a one output like y02. Now compile the program and simulation on. Okay, you can see here this memory bit are storing two things, y01 status and x03 status. So when I will on this input, you can see it, and x02. This time x01 is on and x03 off, then memory bit is off because both logics are now on. When I will on this x03, then y03 will be on and this will memory bit will be on the our output. Okay, it's very simple way to use memory bit. Now I know make a program. I will make a program. I will tell you how to we use is to reduce our complexity of program. So go to edit mode and add x03, x03. Okay, there are three inputs and it will be on over one output. So I will here use x01 repeat, x02 x03 and x04 and y02, sorry, y02. Here I will use same x01, x02, x03, x04 and x05 is a y03. Okay, it's a very simple program. There are three outputs, and you can see x01, x02 and x03 are repeating in this row, and this row, and these three rows is are repeating, and it also make 6 8, okay, program. So it is a very complex, because one thing are repeating in this row and this row and this row, but no, I will use memory bit to make it very simple way. So I am added a row, okay, and x01, sorry, x01, x02, these things are repeating, and no, I will use one memory bit m01, okay. No, I will replace this all thing with memory bit m01 and finish this one, also finish. So these are repeating, and I have stored m01, so I will replace it 101, and no need this one, and same here m01, and okay, no, compile the program, okay. You can see here is very simple way to write here. I simple only use a memory bit 1, okay, m01, and use here and here here, but no, our program is very simple, and simulate the program. No, on the x01, on the status is on, x0 is on 2 and x03 is on, and you can see here m01 is no on status and y01 is on. Is the same program as I made in earlier, okay. If this x01 be on, then y02 will be on, y02 is on, okay. I hope you understand the main purpose of the auxiliary relay memory bit. If you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise the question in comment box of this video. Okay, bye.